Hello guys, what is up? In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Wikipedia module in Python. First, let's discuss what modules or libraries really are. Modules or libraries are Python code files that we can import and use in our code, saving us time and effort. For example, if you want to use data from an Excel file in Python code, you would have to write a long code for file handling. However, Python offers libraries like pandas or Excel libraries, and by using these libraries, we can perform exactly same task with very few lines of code. Libraries contain the code and we import these code to use them in our program. In this video, we will be working with the Wikipedia module in Python. The Wikipedia module in Python is used to access and retrieve data from the Wikipedia website. This module allows us to search for Wikipedia articles, get article summaries, fetch full article content, and much more. This module is very powerful for accessing a vast amount of information programmatically. Now, let's see how it actually works. Before doing anything, we first have to install the module. To install a module, we use the pip command. Pip stands for Python install package. To install Wikipedia, we simply type pip install Wikipedia. This command will download all the files of Wikipedia module onto our computer. Now we can use the Wikipedia module in Python. First, we import the module. The import statement helps us import all the files of Wikipedia module into our current code. For this, I am typing import Wikipedia. This will import the Wikipedia module. Once we run the code, the Wikipedia module will be imported and we can start using it. First of all, we are going to write a code to search for articles using the Wikipedia module. Here I am creating a variable that will store the search results. I am typing search results, and after the assignment operator, we first call the Wikipedia module by typing Wikipedia followed by a dot. When we press tab, we get a list of functions we can use with the Wikipedia module. We want to search for articles, so we use the search function. Within the search function, we write our query. For example, if I want to search for articles related to Python programming language, I type Python programming language. The search function will search all the articles on Wikipedia related to Python programming language and store the result in our variable search results. Now let's print the search results using print search results. Let's run this code, and here you can see the output, a list of available articles related to our query. This is how we can use the Wikipedia module to search for articles. Now let's explore other functions. Let's talk about the summary function. The summary function returns the summary of a Wikipedia article. To use this, we first create a variable. Here I am creating a summary variable which will store the summary. After creating the variable, we call the Wikipedia module and use the summary function. Within the summary function, we can write our query. For example, I am writing Python programming language. The summary function will summarize the article on the Python programming language and store the summary in the summary variable. Now let's print the summary variable by typing print summary. Let's run this code, and here you can see the output, the summary of the article. This is how the summarize function works. We can also define the length of the summary. For example, if I want to summarize the article into 3 sentences, I can do this by defining the number of sentences. Right after the query, we call the sentence function, and I am writing 3. This means I want a summary of Python programming language article in 3 sentences. Let's run this code again. Here you can see that we have received a short summary of 3 sentences. We can also extract the whole article from Wikipedia. To extract the whole article, we use the page function. The page function returns a Wikipedia page object. The object contains various attributes such as title, content, and URL of the article. To do this, we first create a new variable named page, which will store the whole article. We call the Wikipedia module and use the page function. Within the page function, we input the query. For example, I am typing Python programming language. This page function will extract the whole article on Python programming language and store it in the page variable. Now we define the attributes that we want from the article. If we want the title, we use the print function and type title as a string. We can access the title attribute from the page variable by typing page.title. This will extract and print the title. If we want the URL and content, we can use the print function and type URL as a string followed by a page.url. This will extract and print the URL. To extract the content of the article, we use the print function and type content as a string followed by page.content. This will extract the whole content of the article. If we want to define the number of characters we want, we use square brackets. For example, if we want the full article, we do not define the starting or ending point. In this example, we fetch the full content of the article titled Python Programming Language. The page function returns a page objects from which we can access the title, URL and content of the article. Let's run this code, and here you can see the output, the whole article. By default, the Wikipedia module uses the English Wikipedia, but we can change the language using the setLang function. The setLang function allows us to extract articles in the language of our choice. For example, I am copying the summary code and pasting it here. To set the language, I call the Wikipedia module and the setLang function. In the query, I type ES, which stands for Spanish. We use language shortcuts like EN for English, HI for Hindi, UR for Urdu and etc. Let's run this code, and here you can see the output is in Spanish. This is how we can set the language of our articles. That's all for today's video. This module is a powerful tool for accessing Wikipedia data programmatically. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment box. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to keep receiving our tutorials.